My name's Owain Hughes. I've come from North Wales, live on Anglesey. I'm going to be trainee props master on Vinci's Demons. So working within the art department and learning all about how the art department on a large scale production works. Before this I was working on Round Around, and then I started off as a runner, worked up through the art department, more recently working as standby props, so on set, on location, where they're dealing with the props for the day and any sort of situations that arise with the sets and the locations that need adjustment or need a bit of tweaking here and there. And I'm looking forward to working on a larger scale production. Round Around's a very small art department. There's only a few members where everyone pitches and everyone does a lot of the same jobs. With this it's more specific. There's specific roles for different people. I'm just seeing what the processes behind a larger scale production are really, and what's involved and what there is to think about more than what I've been doing already.